So we want to talk about how to optimize your profile on LinkedIn. I can't do this on my laptop due to one or two reasons. However, I know that a lot of people are also using their phones for LinkedIn, so this would also make sense. So here is how your profile looks like when you come on LinkedIn and you come here. This is where you are going to have your profile. Number one is the number one thing to look out for is your profile picture. This is the normal way to place your profile picture on LinkedIn. It is headshot. You are not supposed to upload an overall picture of you or a picture showing your hand, your bosom, or a full picture of yourself. It is supposed to be an headshot. Head centered at your neck region to your face, so that people get to see you very well. Then the second one. So if you see that your profile picture is not like this, make sure you make the changes. All you have to do is upload that profile picture, zoom it or pinch the middle and zoom it, adjust it, and make sure your face is well placed in the middle. Then we have the banner. This banner should be well designed with your value statement on it. You can have your picture on it and you can decide not to have your picture on it, but it should be well designed. For some people, where I have my logo, could be book a one-on-one section with me, check feature session or something else, or subscribe to my YouTube channel based on what is most important to you. And then the statement on it. If you notice that the statement on my banner and the statement on my headline are almost the same thing. On my headline, I help sustainability brands and innovative businesses grow with purpose. On my banner, I have helping sustainability brands and innovative businesses grow with purpose. Then I highlight some words on it, emphasis on those words. So make sure. The reason why we want these things to align is that when someone visits your page, we don't want them to be disoriented, disorganized. You want them to understand who you are, what you do, the value you bring to the table, how you can help them at first glance. In the few seconds when they get to your page, they need to have those information. So having your tagline, your headline, and your banner, the statement on your banner works together, goes a long way in bringing clarity to everyone that visits your page. So there is also a place to put a link. So if you click on, this is my headline, not a headline that you have a content writer, graphics designer, social media manager, virtual assistant. No, you need to create a value message, very simple and easy, simple and memorable, and at the same time, so that anyone that visits your page understand. It does not have to be complex, not to be too long. Short, simple and memorable statements / the title of what that thing that you do. You can't put I help sustainability brand and innovative business group with purpose. You can't just put that statement and not put what you do exactly. So I help sustainability brands and innovative businesses grow with purpose / social media strategist. That is mine. For some people it could be I streamline blah 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 / virtual assistants. For some people it could be I write content that, or any way you want to put it / content writer. There is also this place where I have subscribed to my YouTube channel. To get this link, all you have to do is click on this pencil to add to add a link to this place. Click on the pencil sign below this banner here. This is where you change your name. This is where you add your headline, and here is where you add your link, website link, any link you want to add, then the text of that link. Then you click on save. For your profile picture, if you want to edit your profile picture, just click on the profile picture, click on view or edit photo. So here now, you click on, if you want to pick a picture on your gallery, click on add photo. I don't want to do that because they are for privacy reason. Click on add photo, pick that photo. When you pick that photo, this is how it will show. Don't do it like this. Don't do your photo like this. Make sure that it is well placed. Make sure that your face is showing well. So then you click on done. I don't want to touch it. For your banner, this is where you click on the pencil sign on top of this banner, then click on edit cover image, then you click on update photo. If you want to edit your photo, when you upload it, this is how it's going to look like. You can adjust it. For example, mine was kind of like this. I needed to adjust it. So this is how you have it. Then you click on save. But I'm not touching this, like I said earlier. They're already well placed. So when you come down, this is your about section. This about section will go into the details of what you do. It has to be well detailed. Who you are, how you can help, and CTA, call to action. Ready to turn your social media powerful tool for good? Let's connect. Send me a message or click in the link in my profile to book a call. Together we'll create social media presence. At the end of it, some people don't know the next thing to do, so you have to put CTA. Then my feature session, I have one-on-one goal strategy, one-on-one consultation, link featured session. Again, I have clarity and positioning strategy for social media managers, and I also have another one. If you don't have any services, at least you should have a one-on-one consultation to put there. So how do you put a link? Well, the first thing is that you need to use coachly.co or Calendly to create a link, or any other one that you prefer, to create a link for your one-on-one consultation. That's number one. Number two, you need to design a flyer, a beautiful flyer for that service. Then the next thing, let's go back up, is that you come here to add section. Then you will add featured. So there are three there. We have the core, the recommended, the additional. So you come to the recommended, then you click on add featured. So when you click on add featured, it brings you here. You now click on this plus button up here, then you add a link. Then you click on add a link, paste that link here. When you paste that link here, I don't have a link, but when you place that link here, because this one is invalid, I don't know, I just clicked something. This is what it gives you. So this is how that your short click will come. Then you will just put, you now click here, upload, go, and you now click on upload a photo and pick the graphics that you've designed for that link and upload it. Then you click on save. That's all. So that's how you add link to your your feature section. So here, this experience place, make sure that you put I know that this thing can be boring. It can be boring really when you are trying to fill this thing, but you need it. You need your profile optimized. Under your experience section, make sure that you put, before these two, make sure that you put, even if you've not gotten a job from LinkedIn, make sure you put all other experiences well placed there. So this is how you put the experience. You click on plus, add position, the title of your ex job, your employer, employment type, is he self-employed, is he full-time, whatever it is. Do you currently, the organization, put the name, do you currently work there, the date, the location, type, the description, the skills that you used. If you have a media that is connected to that job, you can also upload it, and then you save. You do that one after the other. After this section, we have the education section. So here is my secondary school education, my diploma, then my university education. Just same way we did that, just put everything there. Then license and certification. These are the three ones that I uploaded. Just click here, put everything. If you have the ID, the date, if you have a media that supports it, put it there. Then I can also add your skills, the skills that you have. So these ones, please, for God's sake, do not go to your friends to give you a recommendation of people you know. I know people do this. They exchange recommendations. No, don't do that. That is not, you know that you know that is wrong. You know that person never experienced your services. Just keep your, we are going to get to that place. I'm going to get to explain that. Just keep your content coming. Keep consistent. You don't have to get fake recommendations at all, because somebody comes to your page, they see a recommendation, they are definitely going to check out that profile, and they can easily tell if truly you've worked for that person, or you guys are friends, or it is an exchange of recommendations. I have seen a lot of recommendation exchange. Somebody gives you a recommendation, they check giving section, they see that you also give that person recommendation. So it doesn't work that way. So I want to say that this might requires you to go to the studio to get a professional headshot. It is worth it. It is an investment in your personal brand, and it's a long-term investment that you're definitely going to see. You need to be intentional about the way you want to show up here. That is the only way that you get results. So watch out for your assignments.